Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox crashing on PC easy and quick. First click here and go to Windows, update settings, and then once you're here just install all the updates that you can find, and after that go back and now click here and go ahead and try again. Now just launch Roblox again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click here and then go to apps and features, and then type here Roblox, click on Roblox and then click uninstall, and after that go to run, type here up data, click OK, and then local, scroll down until you find Roblox, and wait, here it is. Now just right click and delete, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.